Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Meat Processing Equipment 103, Meat Mixers. No matter what product you're making, an important step is mixing your seasonings, cures, and additives in with your meat. Most meat mixers, like the 20 and 44 pound Weston models, work on an axis and paddle system, where you turn the axle with the hand crank and the paddles spin through the chamber. The meat is added first and sits on the bottom of the mixer. The paddles are angled, which allows them to scoop the meat off the bottom, rotate it up, and drop it back down. This way you're getting multiple impacts to help break up the protein and mix in the seasoning. Protein extraction is a very important part of making certain types of meat snacks. Anything that's going to be smoked generally needs protein extraction. It's going to help the meat, fat, water, seasoning, and any additives all bind together. If you don't have good protein extraction, you run the risk of fatting out, which is when your fat renders out of your meat during the cook process, and this leaves you with an unappetizing, fatty film on the outside and a dry product, plus a mess in your smokehouse. Some models, like this 44 pounder, even hook up with certain grinders. This one works with the Weston 22 and larger, Butcher, and Pro series. So it just does all the spinning for you. You don't need to do anything. So once hooked up, simply start your grinder, go forward and reverse equal number of times, just like you would if you're doing a hand mix. If you're making a bratwurst or breakfast sausage where protein extraction isn't really necessary, then you don't need to use a meat mixer. But when protein extraction is needed when making products like summer sausage and snack sticks, then it's important to use one. Getting the proper level of protein extraction by hand is going to be a difficult and long process, and it's going to affect the quality of your finished product. So if you're mostly making fresh sausage, then you might find better ways to spend your initial investment money. But if you're making a lot of cured products like snack sticks and summer sausage, a meat mixer is an essential piece of equipment, almost up there along the lines of a stuffer and a grinder. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything about the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos, or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything about the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.